Paramount Institute. Rain. Rain is a major component of the water cycle and is responsible for depositing most of the fresh water on the earth. Heavy rains destroy crops and cause floods. Is rainwater clean? Most rain is perfectly safe to drink and may be even cleaner than the public water supply. Rainwater is only as clean as its container. Only rain that has fallen directly from the sky should be collected for drinking. Before rain, environment got little bit dark, blowing windy and dark sky. Birds fly into their nest. Thunder and lightning. Thunder is caused by lightning. When a lightning bolt travels from the cloud to the ground, it actually opens up a little hole in the air called a channel. Once then, light is gone, the air collapses back in and creates a sound wave that we hear as thunder. After rain. We can see beautiful rainbow in the sky.